about it anymore. Parang parts talaga ng history, and it's essential part of our history. Because Pinoy ako made us in a way na we had to experience the bad side of show business. How it would affect for people from Bulacan na who came from nowhere, who have no money, tas biglang rose to fame, and hindi namin kinaya yung fame and money. No, na-discourage kami sa goals namin na when we were starting and forgot to look back. Yun ang nagawa ng showbiz sa Orange and Lemons. So we don't regret that because it's a very expensive lesson in life. And it made me personally, yung PBB, marami akong natutunan dyan. And yung disbandment namin in 2007, marami akong natutunan dyan sa business. And it changed us. And it made us mature. I mean, it made us aware that music is a business. PBB is, it makes for an interesting story. Maybe if we release an autobiography, we might tackle more deeply into it. Dati kasi creative lang kami, gusto lang namin tumugtog, di ba, pre? Di ba? Pero we are not aware na there's the business side. Kailangan natin maintindihan yung business side. How we preserve our legacy, how we control our songwriting, our masters, and binawi na namin publishing namin sa Universal Records. And yun nga, sad to say, ang baba ng royalties namin sa Universal. Nire-record namin talaga yan kasi ayaw i-release ang Turner Recordings. So, we did that. And we might do the same for other albums as well. As we, down the line, we will Taylor Swift that shit.